a todos y bienvenidos al Gringa Spanglish podcast. I know what you are thinking. Here we go again, another podcast where I have to pretend I understand an uninterrupted stream of Spanish for 30 minutes, leaving me exhausted and discouraged that I'm never going to be able to hold a conversation in Spanish. No, amigos. This time it will be different. As you can see in the name of the podcast, we will not be speaking only Spanish, but instead Spanglish, an often undervalued art form that will allow you to bridge the gap between your English fluency and the ever elusive Spanish conversational fluency. In this podcast's title, you will see a couple of things. First thing is the subject. We are going to be talking about a supermercado or supermarket today. You will also see the speed of the podcast, which today will be slow. And lastly, you will see an estimate, do not hold me to the exact number, people, of what percentage of time I will be speaking Spanish. Today, for every 9 words or so in English, there will be a word in Spanish or 10% Spanish in the story. At the beginning of the podcast, I will outline a number of words in Spanish that you will be learning. If you have a pen and paper, it might be a good idea to write them down so that you will recognize the new words when they are used in the story. It is my sincere hope that you will enjoy the podcast today and learn at least a couple of words in Spanish that you didn't know before. Vámonos, let's go. Here are some words I will use in this episode, el supermercado, in order of appearance. Miércoles is Wednesday. El supermercado is the supermarket. Cansada is tired for a female. La comida is food. El refrigerador is the fridge. La lista is the list. Mierda is shit, bad word. La receta is the recipe. Los ingredientes are the ingredients. Perfecto is perfect. Adulta is adult. Las verduras are vegetables. La botella de vino is the bottle of wine. Una panadería is a bakery. Deseo is desire. Pero is but, as in, but mom. Regresar is to return. La cola is the line. Comprar is to buy. Quince is the number 15. Paciente is patient. Después de comer is after eating. La cartera is the wallet. Llorar is to cry. And necesito is I need. So without further ado, let's get into supermercado in 10% Spanish at slow speed. Okay. It's a miércoles and I am at the supermercado. I am really cansada because I didn't sleep well last night, but I need comida in my refrigerador so that I don't order Chinese food later. As I browse the aisles, I realized that I forgot my lista at home. Mierda. My plan was to make pad thai with zoodles, but I don't remember the receta and its ingredientes off the top of my head. So I wander around aimlessly, cansada, and not sure what to buy until I get to the frozen food section and I see them. Chicken nuggets. Perfecto. But I know I can't just eat chicken nuggets because I am an adulta. So I throw in some verduras and a botella de vino so I feel more grown up. As I am passing the panadería section, I am overcome with deseo to try one of the cakes they have in the display case. Pero I resist and I keep walking toward the checkout line. I know I will have to regresar to the supermercado tomorrow so I can buy the ingredientes for my zoodle dish. While I wait in the cola to comprar mis chicken nuggets and other items, I am dreaming of this meal and how perfecto it will be. I have to wait 15 minutos en la cola because they are short-staffed again, as usual. Normally, I am paciente, but today, since I am so cansada, I am irritated. Why didn't I just choose self-checkout? As I get closer to the front of the line, I am salivating about eating my nuggets and going directly to bed después de comer. When I get to the front of the line, I realize that I have forgotten my cartera in the car. Mierda, mierda, mierda. I am about to llorar when a handsome man behind me offers to comprar my basket of food and wine. I envision us getting married one day, telling this story laughingly to our friends over a botella de vino. But I just say thank you and scuttle off to my car. I really necesito get more sleep. Now, if that was enough for you for today, enhorabuena, you have completed the podcast. However, if you would like to hear the entire story in Spanish, still at slow speed, stick around for a few more minutes conmigo. All right, here goes El Supermercado, all Spanish, still at slow speed. Es un miércoles y estoy en el supermercado. Estoy muy cansada porque no dormí bien anoche, pero necesito comida en mi refrigerador para que yo no pida comida china más tarde. Mientras que yo navego por los pasillos, me doy cuenta de que olvidé mi lista en la casa. Mierda. Mi plan fue hacer pad thai con zoodles, pero no recuerdo la receta y sus ingredientes en mi cabeza. Así que yo deambulo sin rumbo fijo, cansada y sin saber qué comprar hasta que llego a la sección de comida congelada y los veo. Nuggets de pollo. ¡Perfecto! Pero sé que no puedo comer solo nuggets de pollo porque soy adulta. Así que echo a la canasta unas verduras y una botella de vino para que me sienta más madura. Mientras que paso por la sección de panadería, estoy superada con deseo de probar unos de los pasteles que tienen en el estuche de muestra. Pero yo resisto y sigo caminando hacia la cola de caja. Yo sé que tendré que regresar al supermercado mañana para que yo pueda comprar los ingredientes por el plato de zoodles. Mientras que espero en la cola para comprar mis nuggets de pollo y otras cosas, estoy soñando con este plato y cómo perfecto será. Tengo que esperar 15 minutos en la cola porque no hay muchos empleados, como normal. Usualmente soy paciente, pero hoy estoy cansada y por eso estoy irritada. ¿Por qué no elegí autocomprobación? Yo me acerco a la frente de la cola y estoy salivando porque quiero comer mis nuggets de pollo y acostarme directamente después de comer. Cuando llego a la frente de la cola, me doy cuenta de que he olvidado mi cartera en el carro. Mierda, mierda, mierda. Estoy a punto de llorar cuando un hombre guapo detrás de mí ofrece comprar mi canasta de comida y vino. Yo nos visualizo casándonos un día, contando esta historia a risas a nuestros amigos con una botella de vino. Pero solo digo gracias y corro a mi carro. De verdad, necesito dormir más. Muy bien, amigos. That's el fin de la historia para hoy. I hope that you've enjoyed and as well understood this story. If you have suggestions, comments, or an idea for something I can record in Spanglish, please let me know. Espero que tengan un muy buen día y nos vemos aquí pronto. Chao.